Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make an affidavit for name correction. An affidavit is a sworn statement of fact, used to legally declare a change or correction to your name. This document is crucial for updating official records like passports, educational certificates, or bank accounts when there's a discrepancy. It serves as legal proof of your correct name, ensuring consistency across all your important identification and documents. To begin, gather all necessary personal details, including your full old name, your full correct name, and your current address. You'll also need supporting documents such as your birth certificate, identification cards, and any documents showing the incorrect name. Ensure all information is accurate and consistent with your official records. Having these ready will streamline the entire process significantly. Next, draft the affidavit. It should clearly state your old name, the correct name, and the reason for the correction. Include a declaration that the information provided is true to the best of your knowledge. Once drafted, the document must be signed in the presence of a notary public or an authorized official. They will then attest to your signature, making the affidavit legally binding. Finally, carefully review your completed affidavit for any errors or omissions. Make sure all details are precisely as they should be. After notarization, you might need to make several copies, perhaps 3 or 4, for various institutions. Submit the original affidavit to the relevant authorities or organizations requiring the name correction. This ensures your updated name is officially recognized everywhere.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.